Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Thursday, December 7th, 2017. For those of you who follow history, it is the 76th anniversary of the Pearl Harbor attack. As a matter of fact, tonight I am taking a friend of mine out to dinner. His name is Edward Hall. This gentleman is a Pearl Harbor survivor who just turned 94 years old. And I am honored to be spending this day with him. All right, with that said, let me go over these markets and what's going on here with a whole bunch of updates for you. As I am doing this video blog, all of the major indices are higher. Not by much, but they're higher. And a lot of this has to do with what we witnessed yesterday. Epic bond buying across the board kept the markets stable. Now, right now, the bond market isn't doing too much of anything. Doesn't look like they have to intervene here just yet. Stocks are behaving okay, but just watch what happens. If stocks start to sell off, or if the bond market starts to sell off, and you can watch this right on my website, traderschoice.net, you're going to see them start buying. It's going to prop everything up. Look, we no longer have a free market. We know that in any way, shape, or form. But we can watch it and we can profit from that. And I've been going over specific trades lately with you. And I'm really curious as to how many of you have gotten in on these. As a matter of fact, from my SPY trade to my BMY trade to my Verizon trade, and I told you I bought Facebook calls yesterday. All of these have been profitable. Facebook, I'm still in. I also bought February in the money calls on the Qs today, and I think these are going to pay off. Look, again, this is not real. We're trading the fakery. They will not let anything fail. They will not let this market drop. So, good. They want to give us this gift. We are going to take it. That's the way I see it here, people. There's no doubt about it. Gold and silver right now are getting hit again. Now, technically, looking at any chart you want to look at, and I'm sure a lot of you can back me up on this who are technical traders, gold and silver, or the derivatives of, which are being rigged, no doubt about it, it's public knowledge now, are way, and I mean way, oversold at this point, and are due for a very strong comeback. We'll see how that plays out moving forward as well. Bitcoin, almost 15,000 as I am doing this video blog as well. Seems like an unstoppable force. And we'll see how that plays out as well. It seems like those who are holding Bitcoin, as you know, I don't have any right now. I sold my last batch of it at 9,500. I was very happy with that. Made a very nice profit. Will I get back in? I'm sure I'm going to, just not yet. I'm not a one-trick pony. A lot of you have been writing to me about that. I got cash all over the place. it's working for me everywhere. So anyway, what do we got going on here? Stocks are higher, not by much. Bond market is stable. You know why. They did this from yesterday. They managed to stabilize the bond market. Keep your eye on that bond market. They will not allow it to fall. They are determined to push it higher. I went over what's going on with gold and silver. Way technically oversold. It's ridiculous. Bitcoin, I have no idea where it's going to top out. I did an article on it recently. I said it's going much higher after it hit my target of 10. So I was right again there. Okay. Let's see. Let's keep an eye on all of this, people. And I think there's a ton of cash to be made in this market right now. They are determined to do what? Exactly. Inflate the market. It's not going to stop. There's a political agenda behind this as well. And just real quick, now more than ever, I believe that we are going to get a rate hike later this month, and a lot of you have been asking me about that. I don't see a reason why we're not going to get one, and if we don't, the market is going to react negatively. It's already priced in. So that's the way I see it right now. 25 basis points to the federal funds rate. I don't see it less than that. I don't see it more than that. That's my prediction. We'll see if I'm right. Anyway, eyes on tech, people. Keep your eyes on the tech sector. Again, I told you what I just did. I bought yesterday, and I went over this. I bought February calls on Facebook. I bought calls on the Qs, which also expire in February, right before this video. So we're going to see how that plays out as well, and you know exactly how to play this. If you don't, go to my website, traderschoice.net. It's 100% free, no catches at all, and download my brief on how you should be entering your trades. It's very, very important for especially you newbies out here. All right, with that said, I'll see all of you at the end of the day. It's going to be fun to talk about where this all goes. I'll see you then.